The grand jury handed down a federal indictment on a Wichita car dealer for allegedly rolling back odometers, leaving customers scammed. New at 6 tonight, KAKE's Jocelyn Schifferdecker is on your side with ways to avoid being scammed when buying a used car.
Alex Newbray owned and operated 3 used car dealerships in Wichita on South Broadway. They're all closed now, and a federal grand jury has indicted Newbray on 27 counts of criminal misconduct, accused of rolling back odometers.
They're banned from doing business in the state of Kansas.
The Better Business Bureau says you can protect yourself from buying a car that's had the odometer rolled back.
It's important to keep in mind that the majority of auto dealers, in particular used car dealerships, are honest, ethical, and trustworthy.
In this case, court documents show Newbray bought 9 different cars at auction, some with more than 300,000 miles on them, then rolled back the odometer to show they had just over 100,000 miles on them. Then he sold them to unsuspecting buyers.
Just with any industry, there's always going to be an outlier that is deceiving the public or taking advantage of consumers.
Buying a used car worries some people, but the Better Business Bureau says it's perfectly safe. Just do your research.
A lot of dealerships will have a Carfax report that you can look at. You can look at the title. You can also see if there's any sort of history on maintenance reports as well.
Jocelyn Schifferdecker, KAKE News, on your side.